Hello friends, thanks for clicking. Today I am going to take you to Jaipur. Jaipur is also known as a pink city, is one of the most beautiful and culturally rich city in India. It was founded by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II in 1727 and the city got its name from this brave Hindu ruler. Jaipur is not only a capital but also largest city of Rajasthan. In this video, I am going to introduce you with the top 10 places to visit in Jaipur. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. The first place is Amber Fort, also known as Amber Palace, is 16th century fort located on the hilltop in Jaipur, 13 kilometers from Jaipur railway station. The fort was built by Raja Man Singh I is considered one of the best example of Rajput architecture. The fort is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is a major tourist attraction in Jaipur. The fort complex is made up of several buildings including Diwan-e-Am, Diwan-e-Khas, the Jai Mandir, the Shesh Mahal and the Sukh Niwas. Each building showcases a different aspect of Rajput architecture and is adorned with intricate carving and artwork. One of the main attractions of the Amber Fort is the elephant ride, which takes visitors from base of the hill to the fort entrance. Visitors can also walk on the rampart for panoramic view of the city. The special tip is do not miss sound and light show which organize every evening. It provides a historical background of the fort and the life of the Rajput kings. The second place is the City Palace. The City Palace of Jaipur is a palace complex located in the heart of Jaipur, only 5 kilometers from railway station. It was built by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II, the founder of Raj. In 18th century, the palace is a build-up of a Rajputani and Mughal architecture and is a major tourist attraction in Jaipur. The complex comprises several buildings including Chandra Mahal and Mubarak Mahal, which are open to the public. The Chandra Mahal, also known as a Moon Palace, is main residence of the royal family and the houses a museum with a collection of artifacts and artwork. The Mubarak Mahal, also known as the Auspicious Palace, is now used as a textile museum. The palace also features a number of country yards and gardens, including Diwan-e-Khas, Diwan-e-Am, and Jantar Mantar. The Diwan-e-Khas, also known as the Hall of the Private Audience, is a beautiful wall with interactive carving and mirrored walls. The Diwan-e-Am, also known as a Hall of a Public Audience, is a large open-air country yard. The City Palace is open from 9 am to 5 pm and the entry fees is 150 rupees for Indians and 600 rupees for foreign visitors. The third place is Jal Mahal. Jal Mahal, also known as a water palace, it is located in the middle of the Man Sagar Lake, 10 km from Jaipur railway station. The palace was built in the 18th century by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh and was used as a hunting range. The place is a 5-story building with 4 floors underwater. The palace is built in the Rajput style of architecture and features a mix of Rajputani and Mughal architectural elements. The place was designed to be a perfect blend of Rajput culture and nature. The place is surrounded by Aravalli Hills and the Man Sagar Lake, which makes it a perfect place for bird watching and photography. Boating is also available for visitors to reach the palace and take a closer look of the palace. The palace is open from 9 am to 5 pm and the entry fees is 250 rupees for Indians and 750 rupees for foreigners. It is also suggested to visit the palace in the evening as the palace is beautifully illuminated in the night. The fourth place is Hawa Mahal, located in the heart of the pink city of Jaipur, only 5 km from Jaipur railway station. The place that is known for its unique and striking architecture. The palace was built in 1799 by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh, who was a Rajput king. The palace is a 5-story building that is made of red and pink sandstones and it is shaped like a pyramid. The most striking feature of the Hawa Mahal is its facade, which is made up of small windows and screens known as jharokas. These jharokas were designed to allow air to flow through the building, hence the name Hawa Mahal, which means palace of winds. The palace was originally built for the royal women of the court to observe the daily life and processions of the city while being unseen themselves. The palace is also believed to have been used as a place of royal women to relax and enjoy the cool breeze during the hot summer month. Today, Hawa Mahal is a popular tourist destination in Jaipur and is also a part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can tour the palace and learn about its history and architecture. The place is open to visitors daily and is a must-see attraction for anyone visiting Jaipur. The fifth place is Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar is an astronomical observatory. It was built in early 18th century by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II. He was a keen astronomer. The observatory is one of the fifth built by the king in a different part of India, with a other located in Delhi, Ujjain, Varanasi, and Mathura. Jantar Mantar is an example of a unique blend of science and architecture in Indian history. It consists of a collection of 19 architectural astronomical instruments, including a world's largest sundial known as a Samrat Yantra. The sundial is 27-meter high and can tell the time accurate to within 2 seconds. The observatory also features instruments from measuring the positions of the star and planets, determining the declination of celestial bodies, and determining the altitude of celestial bodies. The observatory is built using local stone and marbles and is an example of high level of precision and accuracy of Indian astronomy during that time. The observatory is still used for astronomical studies and attracts who are interested in astronomy and history. Jantar Mantar is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it is a popular tourist attraction in Jaipur. It is only 700 meters from Hawa Mahal. Guided tours are available to learn more about the history and science behind the observatory. The sixth place is Birla Mandir. The Birla Mandir is a Hindu temple. The temple is also known as a Lakshmi Narayan temple and is dedicated to the Lord Vishnu, who is worshipped as the Lakshmi Narayan and is consort golden goddesses Lakshmi. The temple is built in the traditional North Indian style of architecture and is an example of the rich culture and heritage of the Rajasthan. The temple was built by the Birla family, one of the most prominent industrial and philanthropist family in India. The temple was constructed in the late 20th century and is made up of white marble. The temple is known for its intricate carving and sculpture, while depicts scenes from Hindu mythology. The temple complex also includes a garden and a small museum showcasing the history and culture of the Rajput. The temple is a popular pilgrimage site for Hindus and is visited by thousands of devotees every year. The temple is also a popular tourist attraction in Jaipur. It is 5.5 km from railway station. The seventh place is Sisodaya Rani Ki Bagh. Sisodaya Rani Ki Bagh is a garden 10 km from Jaipur railway station. It was built in 18th century by Savai Jai Singh II for his Sisodaya queen. The garden is known for its beautiful landscaping and its intricate frescoes and marble that adorn the wall of the garden's palace. The garden is spread over a large area and is divided into different sections, each with its own unique features. The garden features lush greenery, waterfalls, fountain and variety of flowers and trees. The palace at the center of the garden is a prime example of the Rajput architecture and it is decorated with intricate frescoes and marbles that depicts scenes of a Hindu mythology. The ninth place is Jaigarh Fort. Jaigarh Fort is a historic fort situated on the hilltop of Aravalli Hills and offers a panoramic view of the city of Jaipur. The fort was built in the 18th century by Savai Jai Singh II, the Maharaja of Rajput, and is known for its architectural and strategic military importance. The fort is built in the red sandstone and is spread over an area of 3 square kilometers. The fort complex includes a palace, several temples, and features intricate carving and frescoes. The fort also features a number of watchtowers from which the entire city of Jaipur can be seen. One of the main attractions of the fort is Jaivan Cannon, which is the largest cannon in the world and was built in the 18th century. Jaipur Fort played a significant role in the history of Rajasthan, serving as a major defense structure from the Rajput origin, invaded by Mughal and other neighborhood kingdoms. Today, Jaipur Fort is a popular tourist attraction in Jaipur. The ninth place is Albert Hall Museum, also known as the Government Central Museum. It is a museum located near Hawa Mahal. It is the oldest museum in Rajput and was established in 1887 by the Prince of Wales, Albert Edward. Museum has a rich collection of artifacts including paintings, jewelry, carpets, eyeballs, stones, metals, sculptures, and work in crystal. The collection includes coins from the Gupta, Kushan, Delhi Sultanate, Mughal and British period. An Egyptian mummy is the main attraction of this museum. It is considered one of the best museums in Rajasthan and a must-visit attraction for anyone interested in the history and culture of the region. The last place is Chokkidhani. Chokkidhani is a luxury heritage resort synonymous with Rajasthani village culture. It is located a little on the outskirts of the city on the Tank Road. It will give you a tangible feel of the rural Rajasthan. These are top 10 places to visit in Jaipur. Hope this video found you informative. See you soon in next video. Till then, have a great day.